Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating my cozy corner, and let's get started, guys. Now I am using the pink multi-purpose spray to go ahead and wipe the area down because we're decorating this little corner in my kitchen. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Now I do have some beautiful co-hosts, and they are Z9 Designs, Design with Emma, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, and Annalise Cupboard. Remember that as in all collaborations, I asked you to practice YouTube etiquette. Now let's go ahead and have some fun decorating our spaces. Now I am going to go ahead and fluff this lantern out because we're going to place this right in the corner. And yes, this lantern was decorated during our last collaboration, and I believe that was Valentine's Day. Now, did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And clicking the like button and full watching a video, even sharing the video, this helps us to grow. Commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Now this is a perfect location for this lantern, and it sits far back away from Nala. Now guys, don't forget that the Dollar Tree Plus section has some amazing Easter items like this Easter tree. I think I only paid $5 for that tree. So the prices are anywhere between $3 and $5, and I think they're totally worth it. Now I decided to go ahead, take this tier tray apart, and then I found myself placing that little Easter garland back over that tier tray because it looks so adorable. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be in and out of the video. Always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. Remember to share the calendar of collaborations. Also remember to share the thumbnails and invite people to these collaborations, because this helps us to grow. I think that my cozy corner came out absolutely adorable. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank everyone who participated in this collaboration, be it my hosts and co-hosts and all of you who joined in. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.